Welcome to Quick Pick. Top 10 Best Clothes Washing Machines New Model 2025. Top 1. Samsung 6.0 cubic feet. Smart Dial Front Load Washer. Wash 2 loads in one large capacity machine. Flex Wash, 28-minute super speed, clothes washing, steam stain removal, WV60A9900 AVA5, brushed black. One machine, 2 washers. With Flex Wash, you can wash 2 separate clothing loads at the same time in one machine, and wash each load with different cycles, settings, and options to keep all your clothes and fabric types clean and in great condition. Laundry just got smarter. Samsung's simple-to-use, AI-powered Smart Dial learns and recommends your favorite wash cycles, sets the right dryer cycle based on your wash cycle, and allows you to customize cycle list and change displayed language. Super speed washing. Wash a full load with full performance in just 28 minutes. With an added super speed dryer, achieve a complete wash and dry in under an hour. Control in the palm of your hand, Wi-Fi connected so you can receive end-of-cycle alerts, remotely start or stop your wash, schedule cycles on your time, and more, right from your smartphone with the SmartThings app. Top 2. Midea 24-inch washer and dryer combo, all-in-one washer and dryer 2.7 cu.ft 26 pounds, ventless washing machine, steam care, overnight dry, 1400 RPMs, 16 cycles front load washer, full automatic, white. Wash and dry in one? Say goodbye to transferring loads and do your laundry in one machine. Midea's all-in-one ventless washer and dryer combo has multi-modes to meet different washing and drying demands: steam care, overnight wash and dry, reload function, quick wash, washer clean, air fluff. Energy and space saving? Compact size with large capacity. Perfect for families of 3 to 4 looking to maximize their laundry space in apartments, RVs, and more. BLDC inverter quadro motor comes with a 10-year warranty and has passed the DOE energy efficiency test, ensuring great performance with less energy consumption. Overnight wash and dry? Convenient overnight wash and dry cycle. Do your laundry at night and wake up to clean and fresh clothes in the morning. To prevent moving and shaking, remove transport bolts before using. Default time for dryer program is 4 hour and wash and dry program is 6 hour. Top 3. Comfee portable washing machine, 0.9 cu.ft compact washer with LED display, 5 wash cycles, 2 built-in rollers, space saving, full automatic washer. The full automatic washing machine equipped with heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak 5 programs and 3 water levels. You are allowed to quickly start the machine the way you like. You are also welcome to customize your washing program by selecting load size, adding wash time, rinse time, and spin time. This top-load compact washing machine with only 18.1 inches in width, 17.7 inches in depth, and 31.5 inches in height, this portable washer is able to be stored easily. You can store it in your cabinet, RV, dorm, or even bathtub. Even better, it comes with wheels and handles for easy movement. It is a perfect choice for small households with limited space and minimal optimal. Top 4. Giantex portable mini compact twin tub washing machine 20 pounds washer Spain spinner portable washing machine, blue plus white. Easy to operate? This is our portable mini compact twin tub washing machine, which is easy for you to operate, saving so much time that you don't have to go to the laundromat or wash things by hand in the tub. 20 pounds large capacity washing tub, place clothing in the wash tub section, rated washing capacity, 12 pounds. Run the rinse cycle for the desired minutes, rated spinner dryer capacity, 8 pounds, half of the washing capacity. You may spin twice. Semi-automatic design relieves you from hand washing. Using this washing machine, you can set washer timer to 15 minutes and spin timer to 5 minutes per load. You could choose the suitable time when washing based on clothes types. Different from common standard washing machines, you have much more freedom and options to make pre-programmed settings. Top 5. BLACK+DECKER Front Load Washer, 2.7 cubic feet compact washing machine with LED display and 16 cycles. Choose your cycle. Our phenomenal BLACK+DECKER washing machine has 16 cycles you can choose: My Cycle, Quick Wash, Delicates, Wool, Baby Wear, Sanitary, Cold Wash, Tub Clean, Normal Cotton, Permanent Press, Heavy Duty, Bulky Large, Sportswear, Spin Only, Drain Only and Rinse and Spin. Impressive capacity. With an interior stainless steel tub that is 2.7 cubic feet, this front-loader washing machine, 23.4 x 23.1 inches x 33.5 inches is your solution to fresh laundry week after week. Simply load clothing, select your cycle and let this compact washer, 160.9 pounds, do all the work for you. Additional cycle features. Additional highlights of this fantastic clothes washer is auto unbalance detection, a 1300 RPMs max, spin speed, easy to read LED control panel along with added garment and extra rinse selections. Top 6. LG WM8900 HBA 5.2 cubic feet. Black steel front load washer. True balance anti-vibration, speed wash cycle, Midea stainless steel tub, 5.2 cubic feet mega capacity turbo wash registered trademark technology built-in intelligence, AI fabric sensor / smart pairing unregistered trademark AAFA certified LG washer, thin Q registered trademark technology with proactive customer care cold wash unregistered trademark technology complete big loads of laundry in 30 minutes with turbo wash registered trademark technology. Based on internal testing a normal cycle turbo wash unregistered trademark option, 8 pounds load, January 2022. AI technology, selects optimal wash or dry settings. Washer can auto-select a compatible drying cycle. AAFA certified LG washers with a allergen unregistered trademark cycle reduce over 95% of allergens such as dust, pollen and pet dander. Based on certification by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America, AAFA. Asthma and Allergy Friendly mark is a registered trademark of the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America and Allergy Standards Limited. Mega capacity, 5.2 cu.ft. Means you have the room to do more laundry and fewer loads. Cold wash unregistered trademark technology penetrates deep into fabrics, for cold water savings with warm water. Top 7. SMETA front load washing machine 4.5 cubic feet washer machine 27 in large capacity 12 washing cycle super speed clothes, washing lavadora for apartment RV, steam refresh. 4.5 cu.ft front load washing machine. The washer machine is equipped with a large stainless steel drum, allowing it to handle even the largest loads of laundry for your entire family a week. With dimensions of 27 x 34 x 40 in, this full-size washer cleaner is suitable for apartments, homes, and RVs. Focus on washing, featuring a wide range of 12 wash programs, including options for cotton, dark clothes, quick cycles, heavy duty, loads, delicate fabrics and more. This front-loading washer cleaner caters to all your diverse laundry needs. Additionally, the washing machine offers 5 temperature settings such as warm, cold and hot to ensure optimal care for your garments. You can simply select the normal button and press start. High efficiency and better quality. Top 8. Portable washing machine 25 pounds, LED display full automatic clothes washer with 10 programs and 8 water levels, large capacity, with glass cover drain pump for apartment home, dorm, gray. Intelligent control panel. The control panel of the fully automatic washing machine has 10 washing programs, 4 water level modes, and 8 water level selections, which is very convenient. The LED display can clearly show the washing time. The child lock also ensures that the washing machine operates properly and protects the family at the same time. 25 pounds large capacity for family use. The portable washer's inner drum can hold up to 25 pounds of laundry at a time, so you can do all your laundry at once, making it ideal for a family of 3 to 4 members. Reference weights for various clothing types are provided in a description and images. This washing machine helps you save energy and effort. Automatic imbalance adjustment. The child lock function not only ensures the normal operation of the washer, but also protects the safety of your family. Top 9. Samsung WW25B6900AWA2 2.5 cubic feet. Smart Dial Front Load Washer. Steam Wash Stain Removal. Samsung Compact Front Load Washer provides powerful stain removal without the need to pre-treat, while still being gentle on your clothing. Super speed washing. Wash a full load in as little as 40 minutes, and cut down on laundry time without sacrificing cleaning performance. Vibration Reduction Technology Plus. Do your laundry without disturbing anyone at any time and in any place. Innovative Vibration Reduction Technology Plus reduces noise and vibration for quiet washing. Top 10. Cribbling 17.7 pounds full automatic washing machine with LED display, portable compact laundry washer with drain pump, 10 wash, programs 8 water levels, gray. Multifunctional control panel. There are 10 washing programs, 4 water level mode and 8 water level selections on the control panel of the full automatic washing machine, which is convenient. LED display could clearly show the laundry time. And the child lock also ensure the normal operation of the washing machine while protecting the safety of your family. Large capacity for family. The inner tub of this portable washer could load 15.6 pounds of clothes at one time, which is suitable for a family of 3 to 4 members. The reference weight for all types of clothes would also be highlighted in the description and pictures. This washing machine would help you save more energy and efforts. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.